I will sing. Magkakanta lang tayo, kakanta ng ano, Bisaya. Kanta ko ng Bisaya na lang, Loy. I will sing Bisaya. Yeah.
Close all.
Close.
All.
Kakanta tayo ng Bisaya.
Kanta talaga.
Not like good, but Bisaya sing. So what I will sing?
We'll sing out.
I was down and out and feeling so low.
If it's copyright?
Okay.
Then we'll sing out.
You took my hand and eased my hand. Okay, you do like this, you do like this. My voice is not good. You play.
Copyright, I want to have to be copyright.
You
I win.
No, I have still have.
My finish.
Again. I didn't sing. Because you...
চড়ুই পাখি 12টি ডিম পেড়েছে চড়ুই পাখি 12টি ডিম পেড়েছে 13টি একটি ডিম নষ্ট চড়ুই পাখি মুখে কষ্ট চড়ুই পাখি 12টি ডিম পেড়েছে 13টি একটি ডিম নষ্ট চড়ুই পাখি মুখে কষ্ট চড়ুই পাখি 12টি ডিম পেড়েছে 13টি একটি ডিম নষ্ট
Pagkatapos mag-vlog, mag-ano na, labada, maligo, magluto, sirihan na ang magluto.
Mamaga, naligo, nagtiti. You said we had Blackpink song.
Ikaw ang magluto.
Choroy Paki.
Tinamad ako ngayon, sabi ko kay Rihanna siya ang magluto. Dahil may chicken pa kami.
Close.
Oh, are.
Choroy Paki, Baruti, Yin Pariche, Terati, Ekti, Nashta, Choroy Paki, Nashta. Choroy Paki,
This is plain from here, you know. Malapit na ang Ramadan. Fasting month again. By the second of next month. Next month, second. So Ramadan again. So fasting time. So parang kailan lang. Time flies fast talaga. Ang panahon di natin alam. Parang kailan lang, Ramadan na naman uli. Posto.
Ailis.
Posto.
You say one horror story
What I will say?
about our life, a horror story.
About our life.
Horror.
Sabi ni Maliha, mag-ano daw ako, mag-kwento daw ako ng horror na story ng life. Wala naman akong alam.
Uje?
Which one?
Hansa? Skeleton?
Wala. Is daw.
Then, okay.
Kanta ka na lang, kakanta tayo. Usahay,
No!
nagamahay ako. Nga ikaw ug ako.
Don't go Sing.
No, because
Na, ako.
ginawang microphone ni Maliha ito para daw ma-entertain. You sing. You sing?
I'm usually face ever
She's very,
Ariya, basta di copyright.
she's very,
Like, you bring it to me, I'm looking for it. Huh?
That's not dark.
Ari, na channel na lagay na. Bolot. Dito student niya, I'm looking for it.
Si Rihanna ngayon, medyo hagad ang mukha dahil ang tulog niya, putol-putol din.
She didn't go full, guys. What is gusto in Tagal?
Ligo.
Oh, guys, she didn't ligo.
You make na, honey. Mali, honey. You make na, honey.
I don't know how to do that.
Where's the
Bulagi
box?
si.
Kam.
I should
I don't understand.
Amo to yung isa.
Again, we'll go again. Tata, we come now. On now, this one.